Well, apparently, I don't even need a fan over here. I can just open this window. I can cool inside because this air conditioner looks like it's connected to this shed. Like, it gets quieter when I put it inside, and it's cooler when you open the window. Alright, so I'm gonna close the window. This is how I close my window. Sometimes it can be by itself or anything. Then it gets quieter. It's not even that cold out here today. It's just like my summer's back. I don't even film summer since 2017. I just joined August 2017. My other one, I lost my YouTube account because of that. Because of the camera doesn't have internet connection. So yeah, there it goes, starting up. So 65 degrees. This is where I change the batteries. Sometimes I can change the batteries. The house is cooling inside. Oh, it just shut her off. It's supposed to be on 66. But it's still on 68. It's a 3-ton. And the door handler is broken. Alright, so I just woke up at 9 o'clock in the morning. And I just turned off this with the controller. It was a pretty good sleep with this fan. On Tuesday, the package is gonna come. I ordered another Honeywell fan. My grandpa's coming right there. I ordered a Honeywell fan, which is the HD-908. And wait, okay. And the Hunter fan I used to have before. It was like a vintage one, but you know, this thing is nice. Still have the Lasco fan. I should have sleep on this premium right there. The other one that I got this from Brassmar, USA, when the Hurricane Irma's coming. So I can still keep this. It's a pretty nice fan. It's really noisy when I put it on 3. Like, there's a thermostat right there. Seriously, it's noisy. Really noisy. Look at that fan motor. This thing is really quiet because it says quiet. It says 16. HTS, dash 1655. So you turn it on with this controller right here. This is it's when you change it into. I have never put it into calm. Right over there, it says calm. I just put it on high efficiency. Wait, hold on. And when I put it on high, it's really shaky. So that's how it does it. Okay, so when I put it on sleep, it gets low. And I think that's the thermostat right there when I put clock. Like whatever. I think that's the I don't know what this is. Apparently. Like, if calm looks like medium, but I've never put that before. Yeah, it's really quiet. I just shut it off because it's not even cooling the house anyway. So next time, my mom said next time she fixes the bathroom, she's gonna have a bathroom exhaust fan. She thinks they're all new tones, so I think she's getting a new tone. So I think the bath fan is gonna be in that side right there. That one is gonna be ripped off. My brother has a new tone, but everything in the bathroom, in a different bathroom, it's all brown. Alright, so I guess that's it. And that is for the new tone Ream. I should say Ream and new tone is off, by the way. That's an air vent right there. And I was just in my shed because I was looking for the fan, and I asked my mom where the other fans are, and I thought she'd throw them away, and she said they were at the shed. And I looked for them, and they're not even there. I used to have a Hunter fan before. I used to play with it all the time. I used to treat it like an air conditioner. Because you know how much I like fans. This is all an HVAC vlog. Okay, so I am outside. It's really windy out here, but it's not cold. It's really windy out here. I mean, seriously, literally windy. And, yeah, I don't know what else to say, but I can just say I don't know how many degrees is out here, but apparently it's like 70 something, but I'm not sure what kind of degrees it is. Or apparently, I didn't want to look like an idiot doing a video over stupid stuff or anything, so I can just go back inside. That's from my room. So I guess I just turned on my Lasco fan. Oh, that's not sounding too good. It's not really sounding too good. Well, I don't think it's a Lasco fan that's doing it more than me. It's vibrating when I...
Sí, yo sé. No, yo cogí el teléfono.
Okay, so I'm actually going to talk about my Ream 3-ton unit. It's not really that windy out here, but it's a little bit windy. This thing is really nice. It was installed in the 35th week of last year. It's replacing the old York. The York died because it was pretty always like that, and you know, every air conditioner dies and get replaced. So yeah, and the York got a fan motor replaced. As you can see, you saw in my last video the wires or everything, which replaced the fan motor. This thing's got a brand new Cold and Scroll compressor product. That's got a brand new logo. And I think this thing right there it's gonna be my tripod for this camera, because I don't even have a tripod for the camera. So I think I'm gonna put this on that side right here. See if it will see the fan blades properly, to see if it moves while it turns on and everything. Oh wow, this thing's got a hurricane pad. When it was first right here. Hurricane pad. New tone all goes back there. Well, my mom really likes new tones really much. Her sister got a new tone that replaced 96 Reams. I don't think they're from 96. I don't know which are they, because saw my old photos when my mom has a baby shower in my aunt's house, and I saw Reams right over there. So I think I'm gonna check that out for you guys, see if it looks like or something. Alright guys, so this is the year 2003, and I found the book, and guess what I found? It's a Ream. That one's the one that got replaced. And my aunt, I think she still has the new tone because it got replaced in 2006. Oh, like I found one right there. It looks like a classic X. Right there, it looks like a classic X. That one replaced the new tone right there. And there's another one right over there that is the same one. So I think there are 2 units, but they don't have even stairs. There's the other one right there. And she has 3 air conditioners. This is the other house right here that still has the ring right here. And I think they're all from 1996. So